Welcome to the CFA Level 1 Practice Test 1. Domain, Ethical and Professional Standards. Question number 1. An investment supervisor must require what kind of scenario analysis to fulfill standard 4, C? A. Calculates the historical average price for the underlying commodity. B. Incorporates a range of price outcomes for the underlying commodity. C. Identifies the single most likely price for the underlying commodity. D. None of the above. Answer is B. Incorporates a range of price outcomes for the underlying commodity. Question number 2. Which breakdown does the analyst's misrepresentation of risks most directly demonstrate? A. The investment profession's commitment to upholding laws and regulations rather than moral principles. B. The expectation that ethical conduct prioritizes individual gain over collective stakeholder interests. C. The firm's ability to balance self-interest with the indirect consequences of its behavior on others. D. None of the above. Answer is C. The firm's ability to balance self-interest with the indirect consequences of its behavior on others. Question number 3. What must the firm ensure regarding Chloe's research involvement after gaining material non-public information? A. Ensure Chloe remains separated from her research function on the company until the non-public information is disclosed. B. Permit Chloe to continue research if all drafts are pre-approved by compliance. C. Allow Chloe to resume research but require disclosure of involvement in the investment banking deal. D. None of the above. Answer is A. Ensure Chloe remains separated from her research function on the company until the non-public information is disclosed. Question number 4. What is required for an investment firm to claim compliance with GIPS? A. Complying with the standards on a firm-wide basis. B. Including only fee-paying portfolios in total firm assets. C. Defining the firm as a specific investment strategy or asset class. D. None of the above. Answer is A. Complying with the standards on a firm-wide basis. Question number 5. Who determines if a member breached the code during disciplinary review? A. Global Investment Committee to verify report accuracy. B. Standards of Practice Council to update the code yearly. C. Disciplinary Review Committee to determine if a violation occurred. D. None of the above. Answer is C. Disciplinary Review Committee to determine if a violation occurred. Question number 6. When does a compliance officer violate GIPS in preparing a performance report? A. Including non-fee-paying portfolios in total firm assets. B. Including assets managed by a sub-advisor selected by the firm. C. Excluding non-discretionary portfolios from total firm assets. D. None of the above. Answer is C. Excluding non-discretionary portfolios from total firm assets. Question number 7. What must be disclosed when discussing fiscal policy impacts on real estate under professional standards? A. The analyst's personal tax bracket. B. The firm's ownership of properties in that sector. C. The names of government officials who drafted the policy. D. None of the above. Answer is B. The firm's ownership of properties in that sector. Question number 8. Which firm policy best protects research integrity when supervisors pressure for more favorable ratings? A. Including only generalized disclosures about conflicts in all reports. B. Implementing a robust firewall preventing investment banking influence on research. C. Linking analyst bonus directly to investment banking revenues. D. None of the above. Answer is B. Implementing a robust firewall preventing investment banking influence on research. Question number 9. How should Sarah Lee, CFA, handle an expensive unsolicited gift to best comply with Standard IB? A. Return the gift to the client. B. Disclose the gift to her employer. C. Accept the gift as for past service. D. None of the above. Answer is B. Disclose the gift to her employer. Question number 10. Mark, a CFA candidate, claims mastery of ethics using unverified summaries and gives advice. Which ethical aspect is violated? Of misrepresentation, inaccurate conveyance of understanding and preparation. B. Knowledge of the law, advice may violate regulations. C. Misconduct, reliance on unverified summaries harms CFA integrity. D. None of the above. Answer is of misrepresentation, inaccurate conveyance of understanding and preparation. Thank you for watching. For more learning videos and tutorials, subscribe to BISP Trainings.